voices that's speaking, but can you differentiate the voice of the living God? There's so much things that's happening. It looks like God. It sounds like God. It performs like God. It speaks in tongues. It quotes scriptures. It do everything like God. But how can you differentiate, Lord God Almighty, the Spirit of God, if you don't have him on the inside of you? Because the Bible says greater is he that is in me than he that is in the world. You have to ask yourself in this season, what is it that I am carrying? Who am I being a host to? Who is Akatorabashaya? Who is occupying my body? Who is occupying my inner man? That when I come into contact with certain things, I will know that this is not God. This could never be God. This is not the Spirit of God. This is not the characteristics of God. But the thing is that we don't know no different, because we're moving by our might. We're moving by our own power and not by the Spirit of the living God.